Hey, good afternoon and welcome to JenGardens. Today is March 1st, 2026, and today we're going to prune this pear tree. Before we get started, I wanted to share with you a cautionary tale about fruit trees. When I purchased this pear tree, it was labeled as a plum tree. 2 years later, once it fruited, I thought, kind of unusual shaped plums, and then they turned into pears. So, when you are purchasing your fruit trees, make sure that they are from a reputable location and they have their trees appropriately labeled. Before you start pruning, do a quick assessment of your tree. Look for dead or diseased branches or branches that are crossed or rubbing. You're going to cut or remove these entirely. When you're pruning your tree, you want to shape your tree. You also want to take consideration of the weight. And this particular tree has this branch right here was the main branch with fruiting, and as you can see, it is bent over from the weight. It grew bent over from the weight. So I'm going to prune some of these extra pieces back. I'm also going to prune some of the suckers that have come up from the bottom in order to help circulation, in order to help drive the energy of this plant into the fruit. So here's the final tree pruned. I decided not to completely cut off the branch that was heavily overhung, but instead I chose to trim the front to release some of the weight. And I also snipped off some of the pieces that were going to bloom. Snipping off some of the buds will help the tree from bushing out too much. Think of pruning as giving your tree a winter haircut while it's asleep. And because it's dormant, it's less stressful on the tree. Even better, a good trim will help set the stage for healthy blooms in the spring. Thanks for watching today. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like. Also, please subscribe to my channel so you can get future videos. Please check me out on JenGardens. Thank you so much and happy gardening!